Hi, Barbara Reagan with Long and Foster Realtors. If you're a buyer or simply curious about the local real estate market, visiting open houses can provide valuable insights. To make the most of your visit, there are key aspects to consider. Look for any signs of damage or neglect, evaluate the available storage space, and assess the neighborhood. Keep an eye out for any red flags while touring the house. Additionally, engage with the person hosting the open house by asking questions. Follow open house etiquette by introducing yourself, signing in, being polite, and focusing on the property. Respect the homeowner's privacy by refraining from rummaging through closets and cabinets without permission. Obtain the host's consent before taking photos or videos. Listen to other buyers, but avoid crowding them. Save your criticism until after you leave, but feel free to mention any problem areas to the host in a friendly manner. For more information on how to make the most of your open house, read my latest blog post on my website at yourrichmondhome.com. This is Barbara Reagan with Long and Foster Realtors, and have a great day.